Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean storage in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10. First you need to find the security app on your phone and then open this app. Then use the cleaner option. You can clean up your files. Or you can open the setting, then scroll down and find the app selection and click on the manage apps. Here you can, for example, find the sum up apps and then click on the clear data and find the clear cache. Click on it and then click on the OK. But yeah, I recommend this first methods using cleaner. This all, goodbye.